In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a one-time price in Stripe. To get started, log into your Stripe dashboard. Once you're signed in, you'll be on the main dashboard where you can manage products, pricing, payments, and more. For this tutorial, we'll be working inside the product settings, where Stripe lets you create either recurring prices for subscriptions or one-time prices for single purchases. From the left sidebar, click Product Catalog. This is the area where all of your existing products are stored. If you already have a product that you want to attach a one-time price to, go ahead and click that product. If not, click Create Product to set up a new one. This gives you flexibility, depending on whether you're updating something that already exists or building it from scratch. Once you're inside the product setup, look for the pricing section. This is the most important part for this tutorial. Here, make sure to select one-off instead of recurring. Choosing one-off tells Stripe that this price should only be charged a single time, rather than on a subscription schedule. This is the key setting that turns the price into a one-time payment option. Next, enter the price amount and choose the correct currency. Take a moment here to double-check that the amount is accurate, especially if you sell in multiple markets or currencies. Stripe will use this information when customers make a payment, so it's worth reviewing carefully before you save. If needed, select whether the price includes tax. This option depends on how you structure your pricing and what tax rules apply to your business. If your displayed price already includes tax, choose that setting accordingly. If not, leave it based on your preferred tax setup. After that, configure any additional pricing options if they apply to your product. Depending on what you're selling, Stripe may show extra settings that help you fine-tune how the price behaves. If you don't need any of those options, you can simply leave them as default and continue. When everything looks correct, click Add Product or Next, and then click Save to create the one-time price. At this point, Stripe will store the product and its associated pricing in your catalog. Finally, open the product again to verify that the new one-time price has been added successfully. This quick review step helps confirm that the pricing type, amount, and currency are all exactly as intended before you start using it in payment links, checkout pages, or integrations. Thanks for watching.